first way I tried to make my room look more aesthetic was by adding curtain fairy lights. I got them in warm white to give this cozy vibe that I really like. To stick the fairy lights on and everything else in this video, I used Tack It, which was basically blue tack, even though it's not blue. It was by the brand Faber-Castell, but you can use whatever you like. You also need to stick down the strands of the fairy lights to make sure it does not flop around. The fairy lights I got was USB powered, so I just used a power bank as the power source. For the next sort of room decoration, I chose to do a photo wall, which is more like a collage wall of what I like, so it's totally customizable. For my wall, I included what I thought was aesthetic, so that included wholesome memes, Harry Styles, just a bunch of things which are really debatable, but I like them. So I printed off 100 photos from Photobook, which is a site that you can make customizable gifts. The link will be in the description. I found all the photos off of Pinterest and I made them into boards, so if you want to check that out, that will be also in the description. I laid out all my photos on the floor to determine the layout before actually sticking the photos onto the wall. All the photos I chose to be on the wall all had pink accents in it to match the wall color. I chose a window layout to maximize space on my wall because I didn't really have that many photos. I don't know why, but 1 week later I decided to start talking, but I was talking way too much. Basically, I got another 100 photos and I did the same thing. And that's it. That's the photo wall. It's really easy. All you need is Tack It, photos, and you're done. First variation, I decided to do the same window layout as I did with my collage, just now with my Polaroids. This way is great to maximize space, but I also had leftover pictures from the collage, so I decided to do the second variation. This variation, I literally decided to change it at 2 AM. I was bored. But I like this variation better. You don't have to use Polaroids, you can use whatever you want. I just have a lot of Polaroids because I have an unhealthy obsession with them. I have a lot of empty wall space in my room, so I decided for this wall, I'm gonna do a mood board. I just stuck down the photos randomly and it worked out. For the empty spaces, I just filled it in with wrapping paper, postcards, and a lot of magnets because I do have a lot of typo magnets. Honestly, it's a mood board. You can stick whatever you like. You can have travel tickets, that kind of thing, but that's how I like it. For the last decor, this is literally the easiest one. All you need is some hooks, clothing pins, and this metal grid thing. I don't even know where I got it from, but you can get it on Amazon. All you have to do is hook the metal grid onto the hooks and you're done. Just add some Polaroids and you have this really aesthetic kind of decor. And that's it. That's the end of the video. I hope you found the decor tips helpful. But here are some random TikTok videos of me trying to change my room.